So in this video, I just wanted to kind of walk you through how your child can find the activities for the week. So first, your child will have to find the Clever app on their iPad and log in using their Clever QR code. Once they log into Clever, they can find Schoology and log into Schoology using the Schoology QR code. If you ever need those QR codes again, just reach out to me and I will send you them. Once they are on Schoology, they should be in their home room. And it should look something similar to this. It may look a little different. When they come down, they want to select the first folder because that will be whatever week we are on, and that's where you can find the choice board for that week. So this week we're on week 5. So your child can open that folder. The first thing they will see is a morning message. On these morning messages, they can select a picture, and those will take them to different links. Or they can select a link and that would take them to maybe something I'm teaching or something else that I'd like to share with them. If they scroll right below that morning message for the day, they can find the choice board for the week. So as you can see, this says week of April 27th. On this choice board, there are 20 activities. Your child, to reach 85% completion for the week, they must participate in at least 17 out of 20 activities on this choice board. So as you can see, the 20 activities are broken down into math, reading, writing, and creative. Activities in red can be found on Seesaw. So if they choose any of these activities in red, they just have to hop on over to their Seesaw account and log in and go to their activities and do the work and submit it. Some of them, some categories on this choice board, have pictures. So like this insect picture, this arachnid picture, and some of these over here in the creative category. Those pictures will take them to video links that will then help them complete the activity or the writing prompt. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I am more than happy to help. I hope that was helpful. Don't forget, have your child send a picture or video of their work on Seesaw. That way I get to view it. Have a great day.